How to compare contacts. If you watched the previous video, finding duplicates, you will appreciate the importance of comparing contacts and merging the data between them. So in this case, we have selected 3 records that we proved before in the Find Duplicates video, that they were selected as duplicates in some way, shape or form. Even though the way most important, I mean this one, the second one here, was chosen because of the number 305. So actually, it was important to demonstrate that it was possible to find duplicates based on other numbers that is not the first number, for example. So, but in any event, that is not important now. We're gonna compare contacts. So we're gonna have this one, and we want to compare this contact with for the sake of the argument, actually I'm going to omit this one. I'm going to omit this one, and in order to omit it, even though it's out of the this explanation, I'm going to omit it here. So I'm going to go to the list view and omit it, okay? Yes, so I have these two that have a lot of data in common. To simplify the comparison, make it more intelligent. So here I'm going to compare contacts, and I can choose to compare 1 with 2 or 2 with 1. So in other words, I will put at the left the one that has more data usually, but it can be either way. So I'm going to compare 1 with 2. So you see here that in yellow the program is indicating that this one is a difference. Okay, it's a difference. So in other words, I don't have this data on the left. The rest, I have all that data on the left, right? So in order to move the data to the left, I'm going to just click here. The program automatically, even though this one is in the field 1, but it's going to move it to field 2, so I can have both like this. Also here for the email, even though it's the same, if it was different, I could add it to the top or to the bottom, or replace the data at the left. Same thing here with the URLs, etc. Top, bottom, or replace. Top, bottom, or here replace you cannot do in the notes, but you can do top or bottom in the history. So, and there are some fields that don't relate to this software in particular. There are fields of a more advanced CRM in the collection, but you just use whatever is related to this one. So I can click back and update and delete, or update and leave both, or no update, kind of I don't want to do it. But I'm gonna do update and delete. In that case, the data now is consolidated here, and as you can see, we have the phone that we added here, then the other phone, and now this one. It still will have a duplicate, because remember that we have the other record that has this phone number, so it still will look like it's a duplicate. So you see 2, even though it's not. It's only that I have these 3 or 5, 1, 2, 3. So this is because of the testing platform that I'm using, but otherwise, since this one, let's say that this one wasn't here, so I will click the D, and now I only have 1. So that's how you compare contacts.